Hi, welcome to Wednesdays at Lorts. Today I wanted to introduce you to Josh Murrietta. He's responsible for our great relationships with designers and specifiers who enable us to create for amazing corporations such as the Ritz-Carlton, Hyatt, Hilton, Mayflower Inn, L'Auberge, and the list goes on. Josh, can you tell me just a little bit about yourself and your history?
Oh, hi Michelle. Thank you for inviting me to Wednesdays at Lorts.
Of course.
I'm an Arizona native, graduate of Arizona State and Old Dominion Universities. For more than 30 years, I've devoted my entire career to all aspects of the furniture industry, and over the last 14, manufacturing furniture right here in the US of A.
Josh, if you had to sum up what you feel sets Lorts apart from others, what would it be and why?
I feel what really sets us apart is that we exist. Customers can actually visit the factory, take a factory tour. We have a full-time customer service team that's on site. Should a customer need to inquire on a project, they can walk the factory floor and give real-time updates.
Josh, you bring up a great point. We are a real factory. We don't just rebox imported items. We're an actual manufacturing plant, and we're here local in Arizona. And that means if you're in the Valley, or if you ever find yourself in our beautiful state and would like a tour, you are more than welcome to call and make an appointment anytime. You'll learn firsthand how we take your order to the next level. Seeing machines, our craftsmen, and just the atmosphere here is something special. There's nothing like hardwoods being turned into something beautiful, and Josh is an excellent tour guide. I've even learned a thing or two after following along on one of his tours. And now, I don't want to put you on the spot, but if you had the opportunity to pick your favorite Lorts line item, what would it be and why?
I would have to go with the 1148 buffet. It is so versatile, so customizable. It can be a single door, 2-door, 3-door, 4-door model. It's available in all the Lorts stains, paints, custom finishes. Customers can really dig in and explore the top, where it can be wood, it can be glass, metals, and stone. It's just such a fun piece.
It is, it really is, it's beautiful. Well, there you have it, Lorts. Family owned for 56 years. Every item made to order, line items made for you in 8 to 10 weeks, for you every time. Thank you for joining me today, Josh.
Thanks for having me, Michelle.